Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. And today is Monday and it is 1st of September. So first of all, wishing you all a very happy September, and I hope your month ahead goes fantastic. And you know, there's no agenda for the chat today as such. I just put out one video talking about what the hell is happening with Mumbai Gullies, and I'm super happy to see the responses from you all. It's been very heartwarming to see all these comments, especially after being in a constant radar of hate and negativity and trying to maintain my sanity through all of that. So I just want to thank you all for all the love and support that you guys are showing on that video. For those of you who have not watched that video yet, I will just leave a link of that video in chat so that you will kind of get that video, and I will also be watching it with you guys over here after a while. Okay, so if you haven't seen that video, here's the link, and hope you enjoy it. We will definitely be watching the video together as well after a while, but I'll just firstly say hello to each and every one of you guys. So Exoera, hello. Yash Katre, hello. Zuva, hello. Yash, by the way, I still have to respond back to your email. I'm sorry it's taking a while because it's the start of the month and I have to align my activities, and I've already initiated some discussions with few developers who want their games to be published with us. So that is happening, and it's taking a while. Sorry, I'll revert back to you soon. Zua, hello. Jay Tasambad, hello. Doomboy me, hello. Comment on Scarfall 2.0. Scarfall 2.0, I've heard. I haven't played the game yet, so it's a bit too early for me to comment on the state of the game. But I've heard some fantastic things from the community, that it's a good game, and you know it has my support. I've actually met the developers of Scarfall 2.0 at one of the events, and they were super sweet. So, like, if any one of you guys has not downloaded Scarfall 2.0, check it out. I recently purchased a book from Flipkart. Aditya, thank you so much. That's which book did you purchase? Flipkart. I think you might have purchased Game Development 101, if I'm not wrong, because I think that's the only book that is available on Flipkart. The other two books are available on Amazon, and one is with Pact Publishing. But which book did you purchase? Aditya? I just want to know from you guys. iPad CS2. No, yaar, I'm not in a mood to play any games today. I'll just chat with you guys. Game Development 101. Aditya, that is one of my best works. I hope you enjoy reading the entire book. I've seen a lot of positive reviews on the book. And guys, by the way, if you guys are coming to IGDC, you guys and some of you guys, if you have bought this book, I would love to personally sign it for you guys as well. So if you're coming to IGDC, get a copy of your Game Development 101 book, and I would love to sign it for you guys. I've done that in the past at a couple of events at IGDC, and some of the other events as well. So would love to do. Scope, hello. Shore Saxena, hello. Akhil, hi. Divyansh, from which engine to start? So Divyansh, I would definitely recommend go ahead with Unity game engine because it's super easy to use. And Exoera has said, as a beginner, should I go with Unity or Godot? Now see, Godot I haven't personally used so far, so I wouldn't, like, just because I haven't used it, I won't recommend. But I think a couple of people do have uh, had good experience, picking up Godot. So yeah, you can go ahead and check it out. लव फ्रॉम अर्थ समीर जी, थैंक यू सो मच. आयुष पाटिल सर, आपका वीडियो देख के बहुत बुरा फील हुआ, लेकिन डोंट लूज होप. आयुष, डोंट वरी यार, आई एम एन एंटरप्रेन्योर एंड I've gone through worse times in my life. I think it's okay. It's just a temporary phase. अच्छा टाइम बुरा टाइम दोनों टेम्पररी होता है, तो ये बुरा टाइम चल रहा है तो कोई बात नहीं यार, अच्छा टाइम भी आएगा. बट थैंक यू सो मच फॉर योर comments and love. Thank you. Okay, sir, in game development, money is required for beginners in game engine. Yeah, money is required for anyone and everyone. It's just a cold hard truth. Shaurya Saxena, sir, we pray for your. Thank you so much, Shaurya. Shiva Hegde, hello. Gaurav Agila says, "Hello sir, I'm doing engineering and not able to focus on game dev because of college BS. I don't know how to manage." Gaurang, yeah, quick trick for you is use this tool called Google Calendar. Okay. Now, this is how I manage my time. If I have any meeting, I just put it on my calendar, and during that time, I will do only that task. So, schedule out your day on Google Calendar that this is my college time, this is my game development time, this is my family time, etc. etc. So, use Google Calendar, super helpful, super useful. सर शार्क टैंक में ले जाना गेम बनने के बाद शार्क टैंक में एक्सो एक्सो एरा शार्क टैंक का यार क्या बोलूं आई एम डिड वी गो टू शार्क टैंक और नॉट आई एम नॉट अलाउड टू से what is the future of Game On Studios? So Shiva, I would like to correct you. The correct spelling of our studio is Game Eon. It's double E and it's not Game On Studios. Future of Game On Studios. Well, right now we are supporting a bunch of indies. Mumbai Gullies is still under development. I've given quite a bunch of information in this 20 minute, 19 minutes, 13-second long video on my channel, which we are going to watch shortly. But future of Game On Studios is we are excited to support a couple of indie game developers through our publishing arm, and yeah, we are trying to get that up. Benix says, "Hey sir, I want to make games like Fears to Fathom, and sir, what GPU do you have?" So my specs, I will show you guys. These are my specs, not my specs, but my specs. Okay, so I have a AMD Ryzen 5 5600X 6-core processor, 16 GB RAM. Then I have a NVIDIA 4070 graphic card, and yeah. Okay. Now, Saturn. Don't you think you should have started with developing smaller games? Just asking. So Saturn, we have developed quite a few smaller games. I've mentioned in my video. We have worked on almost 150 plus games so far, and yeah, I mean, why not? It was our first PC game attempt. So looking back, sure, but I always had this ambition. See, what happened was in 2020, just the year before we had raised funding, we had done financially very well. We had done about 2.36 crores in terms of revenue. 1.76 crores of that was net profit. So I just wanted to grow from that level, because we had been in the industry for a long time. A lot of people think that Mumbai Gullies is our first game. It's not. Even before this, we've built bunch of games, tons and tons of games. Some of them have been successful, some of them haven't been. I remember one game that we had made. It was on cricket. Was also featured on Google Play in 2014, way back, right? So we did make bunch of small games, and yeah, it, network gamers, hello, network gamers. Today we will react to your game. Okay, today we will see your trailer. Just stay tuned because I'm going to first watch the video that I have uploaded today on my channel, and then we will see your Kaveri trailer as well. Datta, hello sir, hello Datta, I'm good here. Zasar के बाद आप अरे I saw Zasar's video as well. I think Zasar as a content creator has matured a lot, and I genuinely like the way that he is putting out content nowadays. He has his strong opinion for sure. Nobody can deny that. But I think he has become more aware and respectable. And Now he's learned how to put his point across without using any abusive words, which is what I appreciate about him. Like, regardless, even tomorrow if he puts out a negative video on the game or whatever, that would be his opinion. He's entitled to his opinion. But I think I really appreciate him as a content creator, how far he's come, and more power to him. Yeah. So yeah. See, I mean, I'm like, I he's talked about our game in negative light a lot, and it's his opinion, right? Everyone, if we live in a democracy, everyone is entitled to their opinion, which is okay. But I think after the entire Indus controversy, he really did improve a lot. That much you guys have to agree. he has improved a lot. He's made constant changes. He's also experimenting, evolving, and I really he's like he's just starting out in the space, and he's just a kid. But even at that stage, to have that kind of maturity, it's good. you know People make mistakes early on in careers. People make mistakes, and that's what he did. And I think now he's learned from it, and I enjoy his content. Every now and then, once a while, I tune into his videos, and I'm also happy to see that his videos are getting hyped up a lot. So yeah, I'm happy where he's come so far. So okay, guys, I will quickly open up my YouTube channel over here, and we will watch. If you haven't watched this video, we will watch this video together. Now here's the thing, right? In recent times, my videos haven't been reaching to the right target audience, because like I used to make videos around games and game development, and now almost everyone expects me to just put out videos around Mumbai Gullies. So you can see, like, there's been a significant drop in my video views, which is okay. I don't really do this for views. I just do this for putting out informational content. But now you can see, comparatively, compared to my other videos, this video is performing really well. So about 1300 video views so far, but my subscribers are 100,000. So obviously I need to push this video more and more, so that people in the community are aware on what the hell is happening with Mumbai Gullies. Okay, so let's actually start this video, and we will all watch this together. So about 36 of you guys are live over here. This is my honest take, my honest side of the story on what the hell happened with Mumbai Gullies, right? And I'm actually, like, I don't know why this is getting translated, but I've purposely made the title of this video in Hindi, because I wanted this video to reach out to my Indian audience who speaks Hindi, because a lot of the discontent or disappointment is from my Indian audience, right? Because they've been following my journey for so long, and I think it's just fair to say that uh, I owe an answer to my fellow Indians. Okay, so let's go ahead. I'll hit the start button. We will play this video in one shot, okay, and then whatever questions you guys have, I will answer them. Okay, so I'm putting this in full screen and hitting the play, and let's go.
हेलो दोस्तों, मेरे चैनल में आपका फिर से स्वागत है। काफ़ी टाइम बाद मैं एक वीडियो बना रहा हूँ जिसमें मैं हिंदी बोल रहा हूँ, क्योंकि इस वीडियो के थ्रू मैं आप सभी लोगों के साथ, जो मेरी प्राइमरी ऑडियंस है इंडिया से, उनके साथ कनेक्ट करना चाहता हूँ, और मैं मेरी स्टोरी बताना चाहता हूँ कि आखिरकार मुंबई गलीज के साथ क्या चल रहा है, क्या हो रहा है। इतने टाइम से गेम डेवलपमेंट में है, इतना एंटिसिपेशन था, इतनी पॉजिटिविटी थी, और अभी रिसेंट टाइम में हम देखते हैं कि यार गेम के अराउंड बस नेगेटिविटी है। मैं मेरे चैनल के ऊपर नए नए वीडियोस डाल रहा हूँ, हर वीडियो पे एक कमेंट आता है कि मुंबई गलीज कब आ रहा है। तो ये वीडियो के थ्रू मैं आपके साथ स्टोरी शेयर करना चाहता हूँ कि आखिरकार हो क्या रहा है और हुआ क्या था। ठीक है, तो चलिए शुरू करते हैं शुरुआत से। गेम की ट्रेलर हमने लॉन्च की थी और उसके अराउंड काफ़ी अच्छा रिस्पॉन्स आया था। उसके बाद हमने फंडिंग भी रेस की थी, और फंडिंग रेस करने के बाद हम लोग ने टीम भी खड़ी की थी, और तब जाके मेन प्रॉब्लम्स स्टार्ट हुए। अब प्रॉब्लम नंबर 1, हमने जब गेम की प्रोडक्शन स्टार्ट की तो उस टाइम पे जो टीम हम लोग ने क्रिएट की थी, उसमें से किसी ने भी ऐसे लेवल्स के गेम पे, ऐसे स्केल के गेम पे काम नहीं किया था। हालांकि मैं खुद इस इंडस्ट्री में लगभग 12 साल से हूँ, और मैंने खुद ने 150 से ज़्यादा गेम्स के ऊपर काम किया है, बट मैंने भी ऐसे स्केल के गेम के ऊपर काम नहीं किया था। बट यार, इंटेंट एकदम प्योर था, एम्बिशन एकदम प्योर था, रीज़न एकदम प्योर था कि क्यों स्टार्ट किया था। क्योंकि मैं चाहता था और चाहता हूँ कि इंडिया में से एक इंडियन सिटी के ऊपर एक गेम बनाया जाए। एंड आई एम नॉट सेइंग दिस आउट ऑफ पेट्रियोटिज्म, मतलब देशभक्ति के नाम से नहीं बोल रहा हूँ। ये बस मेरा एक एम्बिशन है, मेरा एक ख्वाब है, एक ड्रीम है कि मैं ये करना चाहता हूँ। अब हुआ ऐसा कि ये गेम को बनाने के लिए पैसे बहुत सारे लगने वाले थे, ये मुझे पहले से पता था। तो इसी वजह से हम लोग ने ट्रेलर लॉन्च किया। ट्रेलर लॉन्च करने के बाद लोगों का रिस्पांस उसके ऊपर आया, और उसके बेसिस पे हमने फंडिंग रेज की। अब आप उनमें से कई सारे लोगों ने वो हेडलाइंस देखी होगी पहली वाली फंड रेज की कि $320,000 रिसीव्ड बाय गेमियन। अब टोटल जो अमाउंट था वो $500,000 था। ओके, सो अब लगभग 4 करोड़ रुपए हमने रेज किए थे। अब बाहर से आप देखोगे तो 4 करोड़ रुपए जो है वो बहुत बड़ी अमाउंट आपको नजर आती है, बट जब आप एक गेम बनाते हो तो उस टाइम पे ये अमाउंट बड़ी नहीं रहती। और खुदा न खास्ता अगर बीच में पैसे खत्म हो गए तो फिर आपकी वाट लग गई, और वही चीज़ हुई हमारे साथ भी। 2021 में हम लोग ने पैसे उठाए, और वो जो पैसे उठाए थे उसको हम लोग ने पूरा 100% पार्ट में नहीं उठाए थे। उसमें से जो पहला पार्ट था हमें सिर्फ 70% ऑफ द मनी मिला था। सो लगभग 2.27 करोड़ रुपीस हम लोग को रिसीव हुए थे। और ये पैसे हम लोग को ऑन अ कंटिन्यूस बेसिस पे, मंथ ऑन मंथ बेसिस पे विदाउट एनी डिस्टर्बेंस लग रहे थे, क्योंकि टीम की सैलरीज पे करनी थी, हार्डवेयर खरीदना था। एक टाइम पे हमारी जो टीम साइज थी दैट वाज ऑलमोस्ट 66 पीपल। ओके, तो 66 लोगों की सैलरीज पे करना, उनके लिए हार्डवेयर खरीदना, और अगर आप हार्डवेयर देखो तो फिर इट रेंजेस एनीवेयर बिटवीन 80,000 रुपीज टू 2.5 लाख रुपीज, राइट। तो इतने पैसों का डिप्लॉयमेंट इज नॉट अ जोक एट ऑल। तो अगर आप मान लेते हो कि 10 पीसी भी अगर लेने हैं, एवरेज कॉस्ट अगर आप पकड़ लो 1 लाख की, तो 10 पीसी के पीछे ही आपके चले गए 10 लाख रुपए, और इसको आप मल्टीप्लाई करो 50 पीसी के साथ, 50 लाख रुपए। तो 2.27 करोड़ में से 50-60 लाख रुपए तो अपने हार्डवेयर में ही चले गए। ये तो मैं बहुत कंजर्वेटिव नंबर्स बता रहा हूँ, एक्चुअल फिगर्स देखने जाओगे तो यार आप हैरान हो जाओगे। और हुआ ऐसे कि 2021 में जो पैसे हमने उठाए थे 2.27 करोड़ रुपीस हम लोग को मिले थे, वो खत्म हो गए 2.27 करोड़ रुपीस इन 2022। अब जो बाकी के 1.76 करोड़ रुपीस थे जो हम लोग ने फंडिंग में से हमको प्रॉमिस किया गया था, वो हमें मिलने थे इन द मंथ ऑफ लेट्स से मार्च टू मई 2022। बट वो पैसे आते आते सितंबर हो गया। तो इस दौरान हुआ ये कि कंपनी में पैसे तो ख़त्म हो गए थे, तो मेरे पास जितना भी पैसा बचा था वो मैंने डाल दिया कंपनी में। जितनी भी मेरी लाइफ सेविंग्स थी सारी की सारी मैंने डाल दी कंपनी के अंदर। इसके अलावा मैंने पर्सनल कैपेसिटी में लोन्स भी उठाए, जिनको लेके मैंने सैलरीज पे की, बिकॉज ऑब्वियसली मेरी सेविंग्स भी इतनी सारी तो थी नहीं कि मैं मंथ ऑन मंथ बेसिस पे इतना बड़ा खर्चा उठा सकूँ। तो मैं सोचा चलो लोन उठा के थोड़ा सस्टेन कर लेते, और वो पैसे भी ख़त्म हो गए। और फिर फॉर्चुनेटली सितंबर में हमें वो पैसे मिले, जिसकी वजह से ऑपरेशंस थोड़े बहुत स्ट्रीमलाइन हो गए थे। बट अब तक ये सारी चीज़ें होने के बाद मुझे ये भी पता चला कि यार आगे और पैसे लगने वाले हैं। तो हमें रियलाइज़ हुआ था कि हम लोग ऑलमोस्ट फरवरी 2023 तक के पैसे थे हमारे पास, बेस्ड ऑन द करंट कैलकुलेशन जो भी हम लोग के थे। और ये हम लोग ने हमारे इन्वेस्टर्स को बता दिया था कि फरवरी तक हमारे पैसे ख़त्म होने वाले हैं। और वहाँ पे हुआ ऐसा कि जो जब आप पिच करते हो, राइट, तो आप अपने खुद के इन्वेस्टर्स को भी पिच करते हो, और बाकी के जो नए इन्वेस्टर्स हैं उनको भी पिच करते हो, क्योंकि गारंटी नहीं है कि जिन्होंने आपको पहले पैसे दिए थे वो आपको बाद में वापस पैसे देंगे। तो यू कीप योर ऑप्शंस ओपन। तो ऑप्शंस हमने ओपन रखे थे, और ऐसे करते करते मेरा जो प्राइमरी रोल था फ्रॉम प्रोडक्शन ऑफ द गेम बिकेम टू लुक आफ्टर फंडिंग, कि जितने ज़्यादा पैसे हो सके रेस करते रहो, ताकि जो टीम हम लोग ने बनाई है वो डिस्टर्ब ना हो। क्योंकि जब टीम की सैलरीज डिस्टर्ब होती है तो उस टाइम पे बाकी सारे ऑपरेशंस कंप्लीटली डिस्टर्ब होते हैं। एंड एक टाइम पे ऐसे हुआ था कि ये साइकिल इतना बड़ा चलता है, जैसे आप जब कोई न्यूज़ देखते हो, राइट, कि इस कंपनी ने इतने पैसे उठाए, वो न्यूज़ जब तक आपके पास आती है तब तक वो कंपनी के पैसे यूटिलाइजेशन हो चुके रहते हैं। तो इट्स नॉट कि आपने आज आर्टिकल पढ़ा और कल ही पैसे वायर हुए थे, वैसा नहीं सिचुएशन होता कि आपने न्यूज़ पढ़ा कि चलो ये कंपनी ने इतने करोड़ों रुपए रेस किए और वो उनको पिछले दिन ही मिले, ऐसा नहीं होता। जब पैसे मिलते हैं उसके 1 2 3 महीने बाद वो न्यूज़ आती है, वो पीआर आता है। ओके, हमारे साथ भी यही चीज़ हुआ। जब जो भी आपने आर्टिकल्स देखे हैं, जिस भी टाइम पे देखे हैं, उसके कुछ महीने पहले हमको वो पैसे मिले थे। और जब ऐसी चीज़ें होती है तो होता ऐसा है कि पैसे आने में भी टाइम लगता है। जैसे अगर आपको एक इन्वेस्टर ने बोल दिया चलो मैं इन्वेस्ट करने को रेडी हूँ, इसका मतलब ये नहीं कि अगले दिन ही आपको पैसे मिल जाएंगे, नहीं, उसके पीछे एक प्रोसेस रहता है, और ये प्रोसेस टेक्स एनीवेयर बिटवीन 2 to 3 months, 4 months, 5 months। इनफैक्ट मुझे पता है एक इन्वेस्टर से हमें पैसों की कमिटमेंट आई थी, उनकी जो कमिटमेंट थी वो जनवरी 2023 में आई थी, और वो पैसे मिले दिसंबर 2023 में। तो होता ऐसा है कि इस दौरान जो एक अनसर्टेनिटी का पीरियड रहता है वो काफ़ी डिफिकल्ट रहता है, एंड ये ऑनेस्टली मेरे साथ हुआ है। एक टाइम ऐसा था जब मेरे खुद के पर्सनल बैंक अकाउंट में 200 रुपये थे, और एक टाइम पे सिचुएशन इतनी ख़राब हुई थी कि बीच में मुझे एक्चुअली मेरे पापा से भी पैसे मांगने पड़े थे टू जस्ट सर्वाइव, यू नो सो इट वॉज नॉट एट ऑल एन ईजी टाइम। और फिर बाद में मैं ये सारे कमेंट्स पढ़ता हूँ जहाँ पे लोग बोल रहे कि मैं ऐसा हूँ वैसा हूँ, तो यार दुख होता है। ये मैंने एक ही इंटरव्यू में मेंशन किया है, बिकॉज जब ये चीज़ मेरे साथ हो रही थी तो मैं काफ़ी शर्मिंदा था कि यार ये ऐसे कैसे हो सकता है, क्योंकि लोगों को बाहर तो यही दिखता है कि यार करोड़ों रुपए है, करोड़ों रुपए है, बट करोड़ों रुपए नहीं है। आज मैं जो गाड़ी चला रहा हूँ वो भी मैंने मेरे पर्सनल पैसों से लिए है। कोई ये मैंने गाड़ी का जो एक्सपेंस रहा है, टिपिकली जो फाउंडर्स क्या करते हैं कि गाड़ी का एक्सपेंस कंपनी पे डाल देते हैं। मेरी गाड़ी का जो एक्सपेंस है वो मैंने खुद ने किया है, और जो पर्सनल लोन जो मैंने लिए थे लोगों की सैलरीज पे ऑफ करने के लिए, उनके ईएमआईज भी मैं खुद ही बेयर कर रहा हूँ आज तक। अभी तक वो ईएमआईज एवरी सेकेंड ऑफ मंथ कटता है। अभी आज मैं रिकॉर्ड कर रहा हूँ 1 तारीख को, कल वो ईएमआई कटेगा। तो काफ़ी डिफ़िकल्ट टाइम रहा है एक्चुअली, एंड आई डोंट नो, लाइक मैं एक्चुअली ये वीडियो बनाना नहीं चाहता था, बट रिसेंट टाइम्स में मैं काफ़ी सारे कमेंट्स देख रहा हूँ मेरे चैनल के ऊपर। लोग मुझे स्कैमर बोल रहे हैं, लोग मुझे बोल रहे हैं कि यार ये गेम तुमसे नहीं बन पाएगा, एट्सेट्रा एट्सेट्रा। तो यार देखो, कोशिश अभी भी जारी है। हमारा जो बिजनेस है, अब बात करते हैं मेरे कंटेंट क्रिएशन की। काफ़ी सारे लोग ये बोलते हैं कि यार आप कॉन्स्टेंटली वीडियोस बनाते जा रहे हो, यूट्यूब के ऊपर वीडियोस डाल रहे हो। कंटेंट क्रिएशन में जो भी मैं वीडियोस डालता हूँ वहाँ पे एक्चुअली मेरे बिजनेस को हेल्प होता है, बिकॉज हमारा जो बिजनेस है वो एक ही तरीके का नहीं है, राइट। वी आर ऑल्सो डूइंग गेम डेवलपमेंट सर्विसेज। तो मैं जो इन्फॉर्मेटिव कंटेंट डालता हूँ, जो भी स्टूडेंट्स को भी मैं सिखा रहा हूँ, उसमें से हमारे बिजनेस को फ़ायदा होता है, जिसकी वजह से हमें रेवेन्यू बनता है, और रेवेन्यू की वजह से हम हमारे ऑपरेशंस में उस पैसे को यूटिलाइज कर सकते हैं। तो यार जब आप बाहर से देखते हो तो आपको बस एक ही नज़रिया दिखता है, बट जब आप बिजनेस चलाते हो तो बहुत सारी चीज़ें रहती है। हर दिन कोई ना कोई एक प्रॉब्लम आ जाती है और उसको रैंडमली पॉपअप होती है और उसको आपको सॉल्व करना है। देयर इज़ नो अदर ऑप्शन। मुंबई इंग्लिश का अपडेट इसलिए नहीं दे रहा क्योंकि ये जो पूरा दौर था, इसके थ्रू राइज अबव करने के लिए काफ़ी टाइम लगा एंड काफ़ी स्ट्रगल रहा था। तो अब जो सिचुएशन है वहाँ पे हम लोग ने बहुत सारी मिस्टेक्स कर रखी है, जो मैं जानता हूँ कि मुझे यार वो दोहरानी नहीं है। तो मैं बार बार अपडेट्स देके कोई मतलब नहीं बनता, पहली बात। और गेम अभी इन डेवलपमेंट है। जो भी हम लोग काम कर रहे हैं ऑब्वियसली वो फिनिश्ड नहीं है, टाइम लग रहा है। जैसे मैंने बोला, जो दौर था जहाँ पे हमारे पैसे ख़त्म हो गए थे, उस वजह से भी बहुत सारी चीज़ें डिले हुई। गाइस, आपको लगता होगा कि पैसों से ये नहीं होता, बट पैसे कितने इंपॉर्टेंट है मैं खुद जानता हूँ। पिछले 2 साल में जो चीज़ें मैंने झेली है वो आई होप किसी को झेलनी ना पड़ी। 2 या 3 साल, ऑलमोस्ट 3 साल जितनी चीज़ें मैंने झेली है, आई होप किसी को वो दौर से गुजरना ना पड़े। बट अनफॉर्चुनेट सिचुएशन इज़ कि काफ़ी सारे फाउंडर्स और एंटरप्रेन्योर्स ये सिचुएशंस के थ्रू जाते हैं और बहुत बार बात नहीं होती। बट मैं चाहता हूँ, ये मेरा चैनल है और ये मेरी कम्युनिकेशन की एक चैनल है। मैं चाहता हूँ मैं मेरी स्टोरी बताऊँ, क्योंकि मुझे लगता है कि काफ़ी सारे लोगों ने मुझे बहुत मिसअंडरस्टैंड किया है और मेरे अराउंड कंटेंट बनाकर व्यूज़ लिए हैं। एंड हमारे गेम को गाली देके, मुझे गाली देके बहुत सारी सेंसेशनल कंटेंट उनको मिल चुकी है। तो मैं जस्ट चाहता था कि मैं मेरी स्टोरी भी बोलूँ, फिर बाद में यार आपको जो करना है वो करो। फ्रीडम ऑफ स्पीच अगर आपको है तो मुझे भी है, तो मैं भी मेरी फ्रीडम ऑफ स्पीच को एक्सरसाइज कर रहा हूँ। बात रही टेक्निकल चैलेंज की, अब बीच में एक मैंने वीडियो डाला था जहाँ पे हमने बोला था कि यार हम इंजन चेंज कर रहे हैं, राइट, अनरियल से यूनिटी में शिफ्ट कर रहे हैं। अब वहाँ पे भी पंगा इसी बात का था कि यार पैसा, अनरियल के डेवलपर्स वर्सेस यूनिटी के डेवलपर्स में ज़मीन आसमान का फ़र्क है इन टर्म्स ऑफ कॉस्ट, मनी। एंड जब आप मल्टीपल लोगों के साथ काम कर रहे हो तो कॉस्ट भी मल्टीप्लाई होती है। ऐसा नहीं है कि यार इतना बजट हो गया उसने में आपकी फिक्स्ड अमाउंट हो गई, नहीं। एवरेज भी अगर आप पकड़ लो 50-60 हज़ार रुपए की सैलरी, अगर 50 हज़ार रुपए में आपके पास अगर 10 लोगों की टीम है, 50 हज़ार इंटू 10 कितने, 5 लाख यहीं पे चले गए। ऐसी हमारी इतनी बड़ी टीम थी, कुछ कुछ लोगों की सैलरीज 1.5 2 लाख रुपए पर मंथ की भी थी, और जो आउटपुट हमें मिल रहा था वो इतना सेटिस्फैक्टरी नहीं था। तो यहाँ पे हमको वो एक एक्सपेरिमेंट करना पड़ा। बट यहाँ पे इस वीडियो के थ्रू मैं एक और चीज़ कंफर्म करना चाहता हूँ कि अब हमारे पास यूनिटी का प्रोजेक्ट फोल्डर भी है, अनरियल का प्रोजेक्ट फोल्डर भी है। हम चूज़ कर सकते हैं कि कौन सा प्रोजेक्ट फोल्डर में हमें कंटिन्यू करना है, और हमें जेन्युइनली लगता है कि अनरियल वाला जो प्रोजेक्ट फोल्डर है उसके साथ काम करके अगर हम एक्सटर्नल टीम्स के साथ काम करें तो एक अच्छी आउटपुट आ सकती है। बिकॉज हम लोग ने ट्राई करके देख लिया, इंडिया में से इंडिया की टीम बना के देख लिया, बट वो आउटपुट नहीं आ रहा था। तो कहीं ना कहीं पे हमें एक ऐसा डिसीजन लेना पड़ा जहाँ पे हम हमारा वर्कफोर्स प्लस एक एक्सटर्नल टीम का वर्कफोर्स कंबाइन करें और इस गेम को बनाएं। और अभी हम लोग वही कर रहे हैं। तो अभी फिलहाल अनरियल इंजन के ऊपर हम लोग कंटिन्यू कर रहे हैं। अभी हम लोग स्क्रैच से कुछ नहीं बना रहे वापस एकदम। आप काफ़ी सारे लोग कंसर्न थे कि यार यूनिटी में वापस पूरा बना रहे हो। तो वो एक एक्सपेरिमेंट हमें करना पड़ा, क्योंकि देखने के लिए कि यार हमें कहीं ना कहीं पे कुछ एक कॉस्ट एडवांटेज मिल सकता है कि नहीं। बट कॉस्ट एडवांटेज के चक्कर में वो क्वालिटी बहुत कॉम्प्रोमाइज़ हो रही थी। इस वजह से हम लोगों ने सोचा कि यार जाने दो, एक काम करते हैं, अनरियल का जो प्रोजेक्ट फोल्डर है वो लेते हैं, और बाहर की एक टीम जो इंडिया में से बाहर बेस्ड हो, जिन्होंने ऑलरेडी ऐसे टाइप के गेम्स के ऊपर काम किया है, उनके साथ काम करके, उनके साथ पार्टनरशिप करके हम लोग इस गेम को फिनिश करते हैं। अब बात रही फिनिश करने की, तो यार काफ़ी सारे लोग वही पूछ रहे हैं मुंबई रिलीज कब आ रहा है, कब आ रहा है, रिलीज डेट क्या है। तो यार दोस्तों, GTA 6 भी आ रहा है। GTA 6 की अभी एक कंफर्म्ड रिलीज डेट है, दैट इज May 26, 2026। अब हम जानते हैं कि यार GTA 6 के मुकाबले हमारा गेम तो यार कुछ भी नहीं है, जेन्युइनली कुछ भी नहीं है। अगर हम कंपेयर करने जाए, अगर आप भी कंपेयर करने जाओ, जो काफ़ी सारे लोगों को पसंद है कंपैरिजन, तो यार GTA 6 के कंपैरिजन में हमारा गेम डज नॉट कम क्लोज टू एनीवेयर। सो वी हैव कॉन्शियसली डिसाइडेड कि अगर GTA 6 आने तक हमारा गेम रेडी नहीं होता, और दोस्तों टाइम लगेगा यार, मतलब मैं जितना भी बोलूँ, इंटरनली भी हमें डिसाइड नहीं हो रहा था कि यार हम लोग डेडलाइंस कैसे मैनेज करें। एंड स्पेशली जब आपकी कंपनी में से पैसे खत्म हो जाते हैं ना, तो वो टाइम पे डेडलाइंस गए भाड़ में, जेन्युइनली डेडलाइंस गए भाड़ में। लोग फिर बाद में दे स्टार्ट केयरिंग अबाउट कि हमको सैलरी कब मिलने वाली है, इतना इतना डिले चल रहा है, सैलरी कब दोगे, सैलरी कब दोगे, सैलरी कब दोगे। एंड आई डोंट ब्लेम देम, डेफिनेटली पैसे इंपॉर्टेंट है, बट पैसों के चक्कर में कभी कभी एम्बिशन आउट ऑफ द पिक्चर चले जाता है। तो अभी बस फिलहाल यही चीज़ है कि यार हम लोग गेम के ऊपर काम कर रहे हैं, एक्सटर्नल टीम्स के साथ काम कर रहे हैं, क्योंकि हमको पता चला कि यार इंटरनली इसको बनाना थोड़ा सा डिफिकल्ट हो जा रहा है, और टाइमलाइंस प्रॉपरली एसोसिएट नहीं कर पा रहे। एंड हमें ऑब्वियसली अच्छे पार्टनर्स मिले हैं अभी एक्सटर्नल टीम्स में से, जिन्होंने ऐसे टाइप के गेम्स के ऊपर काम किया है। तो आई थिंक द नेक्स्ट अनाउंसमेंट दैट यू गेट टू सी, डेमो वर्जन या फिर एक विजुअल जो भी रहेगा, that will be so much more better than whatever you have seen so far. And the game is going to be continued in Unreal Engine. This is one thing I can confirm. And I hope आपको इस वीडियो से थोड़ी बहुत एक शांति मिली रहेगी कि यार क्या चल रहा था और क्यों ऐसा चीज़ें हो रही थी। बिकॉज दोस्तों यार, रियल लाइफ में पैसों का जो इम्पोर्टेंस है वो मैंने बहुत अच्छे से जान लिया है। एंड बुरा लगता है जब ऐसे सब कमेंट्स दिखता हूँ कि यार आप स्कैमर हो, ये हो, वो हो, फेक प्रोमिस किए। बट अगर आप मेरे सिचुएशन में रह के देखोगे तो आपको पता चलेगा कि यार क्या क्या चीज़ों से गुजरा हूँ, कैसे कैसे कॉन्वर्जेशंस मुझे खुद को करने पड़े। एंड डिफ़िकल्ट था यार, इजी नहीं था, एंड इजी नहीं है, अभी भी नहीं है। बट डटे रहे हैं, और अभी इतने यहाँ तक आए हैं, तो फिर आगे भी जाएंगे और इसको कंप्लीट करेंगे। सो यार दोस्तों, आपसे मैं ज़्यादा कुछ नहीं मांग रहा हूँ। ओके, मैं आपसे पैसे नहीं मांग रहा हूँ। इन्वेस्टर्स हमारे हैं, हमको उन्होंने बैक किया है, उनके साथ हमारी कम्युनिकेशन चालू रहती है, उनको बताते हैं कि ये प्रॉब्लम्स आ रहे हैं, एंड उनसे भी काफ़ी सपोर्ट मिला है। आपसे मैं बस इतना मांग रहा हूँ भाई, पेशेंस प्लीज़। हम काम कर रहे हैं और अच्छे दिल से काम कर रहे हैं यार। एक आपके लिए बेसिकली ये बस येट अनदर गेम होगा, बट ये मेरे लिए मेरी ज़िंदगी है, ये मेरा मेक और ब्रेक पॉइंट है। मैं नहीं चाहता कि आगे जाके लोग मुझे इस गेम के लिए गाली दे। हम इसको शट डाउन नहीं कर रहे हैं, हम इसको कंटिन्यू कर रहे हैं, और जो भी लगेगा इसको बनाने के लिए हम करेंगे, एंड अच्छी क्वालिटी में लेके आएंगे। एंड जेन्युइनली गाइस, सॉरी कि इसको इतना टाइम लग रहा है। इतना सारा प्रॉब्लम होने के बाद भी मैं आपको सॉरी बोल रहा हूँ, क्योंकि आई नो एज गेमर्स यू आर एक्साइटेड, एंड ये मेरी रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी थी टू मैनेज ऑल द फाइनेंसेस एंड ऑल। बट यार क्या करें, खर्चा है, पैसे। गेमिंग इंडस्ट्री में गेम्स बनाने के लिए लोग इतनी जल्दी पैसे नहीं देते। ऑलमोस्ट 300-400 इन्वेस्टर से मैं खुद बात कर चुका हूँ पैसे रेज करने के लिए। एंड मूवीज़ में 100-100 करोड़ लग जाते हैं। यहाँ पे हम जो मुंबई रिलीज है वो उसमें ऑलमोस्ट 10 करोड़ रुपए तक रेस किए हैं। और जस्ट आप नंबर का डिफरेंस देख लो कि यार कितना डिफरेंस है। मूवीज़ बनाने में 100-100 करोड़ लग जाते हैं, यहाँ पे ऐसे स्केल का गेम बनाने के लिए जिसको एक्चुअल में ज़रूरत है और ज़्यादा पैसों की, वहाँ पे पैसे नहीं मिलते। तो यार वही चीज़ थी मुझे आपको बोलनी थी। एंड इन टर्म्स ऑफ हमारे जो सेट ऑफ इन्वेस्टर्स है, आई एम वेरी ग्रेटफुल कि आप लोगों ने हमें अब तक सपोर्ट किया। एंड यू नो आई विल मेक श्योर एज अ फाउंडर कि ये चीज़ को हम लोग मुमकिन करें, ओके, और मार्केट में लाए। एंड दैट्स अबाउट इट गाइस। सो इतना ही था इस वीडियो के लिए। अगर आपको ये वीडियो पसंद आया तो एक लाइक बटन प्रेस कर दीजिए। चैनल को पहली बार ढूंढ रहे हो तो सब।
So ये था the video. This was the video that I had put out today about what the hell is happening with mobile release. Now there are a bunch of comments that I have reserved to read in between. So I'll just take one by one. Have we tried Kickstarter to get funding? No, we have not. Have I gone to Gamescom this year? No, I did not. Not this year. Because obviously we didn't have anything to show, so it didn't make sense for me to go to Gamescom this year. Second thing, Shiva Hegde says you are allocating your most budget into this one. Is this viable? So Shiva, it's a risk, right? Every time, like every business, there comes a moment where you need something to rise up to the next level. And obviously, there are certain bets that you have to take at certain points. So yes, we are allocating a lot of you know is my audio low, is my voice low, guys? I don't know what I can do to fix that. Hello, 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 guys, can you hear me? Can you hear me properly? No, Tom says no, very low. Okay, let me see what is the issue. Is it very low? Genuinely, is it very low? Perfect voice. Okay, I think that might be an issue with your audio, guys. So please check that. Yeah. So yeah, what as I was saying, you know, every company has that stage wherein if they want to rise up to the next level, they have to bet on one big thing. And we are trying our level best to sustain things. As I even read Kevin's comment that try to do some other projects as well. So we are. I mean, we as a company we are doing some servicing projects as well to get some revenue. I've, you know, I'm also training students now to get into game development. So that is also one part of the revenue. So, like the best part is that, I get to train students and I get to enable them to make new games, cool games. And some of the students even I'm supporting as gaming studios to publish their games. So hey, ProShot is here. So ProShot, by the way, guys, has been a long time subscriber. He's written in this comment. Hi, while listening to your story, I feel like you're trying to do a lot, but in India, people don't try to understand how much pain an entrepreneur go through until someone succeed in making a game successful. Yeah, that's true, ProShot. I mean, and can't really blame the audience as well, right? I mean, they have their own perspective. It is my struggle. It is my story. I can the best I can do is I can just put out my story and feel satisfied that okay, I got to put my point across. But beyond that, I think it's just my struggle that I just have to deliver. There's no other uh, point. Late ho game बेकार नहीं. Yeah, fingers crossed for that. Shiva Hegde, why did you stop vlog channel and would restarted videos of BTS of making games? Yeah, Shiva, vlog channel was too much effort, and what had happened was I used to put out videos about visiting different parts of conferences, etc., etc., and then suddenly like people started to say that you're just doing this time pass and you're not focusing on the game. So I thought there was no value, the real value addition in there, and I thought like maintaining multiple different channels was too much of a task. So I thought I'll just maintain one single channel. If at all vlogs will return or not, if they do, I will put them on this channel, but I don't think I have any plans to put out any vlogs, at least for this month. I'm just going to put out like game dev content. uh okay. Who has 12th right now? I'm in 12th right now. Should I focus on my 12th board exams or should I start learning game design? So AD Energy Gaming, I would say you can do both. If you plan your time properly, you can do both. Uh, but yes, please do give priority to your 12th standard, because 12th standard is 10th and 12th is like basic education, so you should definitely get done with that. But I truly believe that you can learn game design in parallel. What Uzumaki Luffy says, wait, King Boy says first, your video content is absolutely good, but from starting, your sound quality is not up to the mark, which makes it hard to watch full video with comfort. So, King Boy, thank you so much. Actually, recently I have got this mic set up to improve the audio. So, if you look at my recent videos, the audio quality hopefully has been better. I don't know, I can't speak on your behalf, but you let me know if that's the case. Okay, Uzumaki Luffy says, what do you think new Chinese actions games coming up like Wuchang and now Where Winds Meet, etc.? I think China as a country is doing fantastic in game development per se. Like we saw Black Myth Wukong and now Black Myth Zhongkui, and then Wuchang, and you also mentioned Where Winds Meet, etc. So I think as a country, they are also supporting their developers in bringing these ambitious titles. I think there's a lot of money in China as well. I heard somewhere that Black Myth Wukong itself had a development budget of a total budget of $80 million. $80 million, guys. And here we are trying to build Mumbai Gullies in a budget of $1.5 million, which is like just the scale of it, just the absolute numbers of it are crazy. I wish I could get more funding. Genuinely, if I could get more funding, things would drastically change. Genuinely, it would change, and especially like right now, at this stage, if we because we've made all the mistakes, guys. We know what not to do, and when you know what not to do, doing what is needed becomes so much more easier. So you know, we burnt through a lot of funds just because of these basic mistakes. And if I were to give in another if I were to have another chance with the same money, I would not scale up our team so rapidly just with talent from India. I think talent from India still needs direction, and that direction is already available with Western and Eastern European studios, and couple of companies in the South Asian region. So I would go ahead and work with those external teams to make this happen. But yeah, man, it's just absolutely staggering. Staggering what the amount of money that they have. Shiva Hegde asked your thoughts on Unleash the Avatar game by Varun Maya. Did you watch it? Of course, I've watched it. In fact, I'd also tweeted or put a post on X appreciating his effort behind Unleash the Avatar. So I have seen it. भाई अनंत शंकला कब आ रहा है यार बॉलीवुड बीजीबीजी? आई थिंक दैट्स अ क्वेश्चन दैट यू कैन आस्क मानिक साहू. He is the CEO of that company. So I think you can ask him or Tejas Raj. So Tejas Raj and Manik, if you are there in the chat right now, you can answer that question. Can I get a job in Gameon? No, we are not hiring right now, but thanks a lot for your interest. Ayush Bagre says Game Science got that funding and community support after they released their first gameplay trailer. Nobody would spend that much on just the idea. No offense. True, Ayush, but basically that's what we also did, right? We had that trailer and we didn't get the amount of funding that was required to build the game. Otherwise, like if we had access to 30-40 million dollars, things become so much more easier because then you have room for experimentation. You see, guys, a lot of money that gets deployed, some bit of that also gets wasted. Even from the $80 million budget that Black Myth Wukong had, I'm pretty sure a few $1 million might have wasted just in research and development. And when you have that luxury to also spend some money on research that might not particularly lead to any output as such, but just learnings, that becomes super helpful. यहाँ एक शिवा says यहाँ एक छोटू सा सोल्स लाइक गेम का एक लेवल बनाने के लिए 40-50 में UI5 क्रैश कर रहा है, so I believe you need a humongous amount of fundings to buy these many devices. Even if 50-60 50-70 alone costs 80K. That's true, right, Shiva? I mean, hardware is expensive. Aditya says, can AI help in marketing of the game and game music? I'm okay with the game art, coding, and game story, but marketing and background is not my cup of tea. Yeah, marketing is essentially just talking about your game constantly, which basically I'm doing. Like, I indirectly I am marketing my game. In a way, good, bad, or ugly, whatever it is, this is marketing. So I don't think AI can help you market your game automatically. You still have to put in some effort. Yeah, you can use AI generated avatars to talk about your game and post content and whatnot. But you still, as a human being, you still have to do that effort. Uh, So what kind, Gaurang asked, sir, what kind of service projects does Gameon work on? So Gaurang, we work on end-to-end game development services. We've worked on quite a few projects. We've worked with big companies to provide us game development services. So we help out with anything and everything, like game development, programming, art, game design, uh, you know, testing, if at all it comes to that. So all of these services come under our umbrella. Ayush says half of the team for Wukong were ex PUBG developers. Yeah, right. I mean, see, it's basically like our team also lacked experience. The people that we had hired had not worked on games of this scale before that, right? They were talented. Some of them were extremely talented, for sure, but you know that direction was missing, which I believe right now, like working with teams outside of India, I I've come to see that the difference is so apparent. The team in the Western markets or Eastern European nations or in US, etc., their way of working is completely different. Planning goes into picture at every step of the way, which was which was something that we had to figure out. What to do, what should we do? Okay, we built out a prototype. What's next? What sort of specifications of assets should we work with? Okay, we have the storyline ready. Now how do we integrate that seamlessly inside our game? How do we tie up the missions? What sort of tech architecture should we keep for building an open world game? These basic questions we had to figure out by ourselves. Now, a lot of people are saying that you should have started with a small game. I agree, for sure. I agree. Either that, or we should have had people who have already worked on such titles. That would have, saved us so much of uh, headache, so to speak. Revant Singh said, "Have you worked on AA or AAA game?" Revant, no, even I have not. Right, which is what also brings that lack of experience. Now, I assume that putting together a team of very passionate people would help us navigate through that trouble, but clearly it didn't work out. What do you think about modders' approach towards mobile release? Shantanu, I don't know, yaar. Until unless the game is not ready, what will modders do? Modders need a complete game to mod. So we'll wait. We'll have to wait till the game is ready. Can you name the gaming company you are collaborating with for Mumbai release? You mentioned in your latest video. Shiva, unfortunately, I won't disclose the name of the company because again, I don't want any kind of undue attention. We will announce everything. In fact, that partnership will be announced very soon, but I don't want to put out anything in the public domain right now. Learning from the past mistakes, I just want to be silent till the game is in a ready state. Once the game is ready, we will make all these announcements, but as of now I think I've put out enough information about what is needed. Yeah, Ayush says you mentioned Unreal devs earn more than Unity devs. Is this the case same for designers? So are you sure game designers work more on the methodology and the process? So that pay disparity doesn't really matter with the designers. Himansh K, why not start with smaller mobile games? Mobilis is huge, but I respect your hustle just a little more, and Mobilis will be done. Keep it up, man. Been watching you since 5 years. So Himansh, we have built our career on mobile games. I have been in the space for the last 12 years. We primarily started the studio building mobile games. So far, I have made 150 plus games, of which some of the games were our own, and we did have a big portfolio of games on mobile platform on Google Play Store. What happened is after we started working on Mumbai release, we lost track of maintaining and updating these games. So a lot of these games were actually removed from Google Play Store. I've actually put out a couple of videos on my channel on the games that I've made in the last 12 years, so you can check that out. Like a lot of people assume that we have not made any games. A lot of people assume that, like Mumbai Ghillis is our very first game. We started making Mumbai Ghillis directly without getting any experience. That's not true at all, my friend. Before working on Mumbai Ghillis, I think you should have worked for 1 to 2 years in the industry outside of India, which may have helped in planning and other things. Or King Boy, just hire people from outside of India and work with them. This is something that I've learned, and I can now clearly see the difference. Do you have any plans on making the game online? No plans as of now. I think first the single player version should be out properly. Can you give some marketing tips for indie game developers? Like while the game is not ready, how can they still gather the audience and keep them hyped up? Aditya, just talk about the game. Adesh Dulare, voice come RE. Yeah, I don't know, guys. Is it a bunch of people are saying that the audio is low, but you know, many of them are also saying that the audio is fine. So Adesh, if you could just turn your volume up, because I can see in my OBS the audio levels are also proper. So I don't know what is up. So Mafia, the old country play, your thoughts, one of the favorite franchise. Yeah, Mafia, the old country, I haven't played yet, but I want to soon. So once I play, I will give my thoughts. But guys, 41 people are watching and there are 39 likes. So let's see if we can hit a likes target of 50 people right now. So whoever is watching right now, please hit the like button and hopefully we should be able to achieve the likes target. Bro, आप अभी जो ट्रेलर रिएक्ट करोगे तो रिएक्शन को अपलोड कर सकता हो नेट नो गेम्स पर. नेटवर्क गेमर्स, या श्योर यू कैन. Net no games. Okay guys, so network gamers is here, and he had asked me if I can react to their upcoming game called Haveli's new trailer. Okay, so we're gonna do that now. He's been quite consistent in some of my past streams and asked me to react to this, so we're gonna do that. And let's go, guys. This is the trailer, and I am going to react now. Okay guys, this is the trailer, Haveli Indian Horror Escape Trailer 2. Okay, let's go. This game is for 12 plus audience. Oh, Hanumanji, namaste. I'm just waiting for a jump scare at this moment. Okay. Okay. So Netno Games, I've seen the video. A couple of thoughts. I think the video is in very low quality resolution, so you can actually work a little bit on that. And I think you should also work a little bit on the assets. I think the frame rates right now are too low, so you should work on that. And I think you have taken this footage directly from the editor, because I can see these gizmos like this light bulb icon and all, right? So see, whenever you're launching any trailer, uh, try to have like some exciting elements. Uh, you know, like you're being consistent. Of course, you know, I've seen your older uh, one as well, older trailer as well. But I think you can work a little bit more on this. And guys, just go ahead and give your honest feedback to this trailer, for scope for improvement, etc., whatnot. Okay, so Netno Games, all the best to you. I hope you improve on the trailer, and hoping to see some improvements in the next one. But all the best to you, buddy. All the best. Oh, Son of Thanjai. Oh, I wanted to react to Son of Thanjai since a very, very long time. Son of Thanjai trailer. Let's do this. Actually, I really wanted to react to this game's trailer since a while. Let me share my screen. Are you making the game on Unreal Engine 5 or 4? It's Unreal Engine 5, buddy. Okay, so guys, Sound Sanjay, this is a game that is being under development by an Indian developer, and I've seen the trailer, and I just wanted to, like, a lot of people were actually asking me to react to this trailer, so I'm gonna do that now. Let's go. It's also uploaded on PlayStation official channel. So you know, obviously, whenever an Indian game developer gets coverage on global level, it really genuinely makes me happy. And yeah, let's go. I hope I don't get copyright for this. I really love the music and this scene. This that peacock scene was so mesmerizing. It just beautiful. And guys, like this thing that you're seeing, like the crowd simulation, right? Just like technically to get decent frame rates with even like this much of crowd, it's difficult. So I'm really happy to see this. And just look at this frame. Okay, just look at this frame. This crowd goes from here all the way till here. So I don't know like how many NPCs this might be handling, and you know, it will be fantastic to see this gameplay. It would be absolutely mad shit crazy to see this gameplay. Also the hair on this character, I think they've been able to make some very good use of meta human. The character looks great, the hair looks fantastic, the visual quality is great. Overall aesthetic, the look and feel, and you know, the lighting quality, the texture quality, it's beautiful. It's a gorgeous looking game. Like just look at the sheer amount of crowd, guys. Like the amount of crowd that this game has, it is like I don't know what sort of technical masterpiece they've pulled out over here. Because you know, like a very good crowd simulation was something that I found in the Assassin's Creed series, and I'm really looking forward to the gameplay of this game because I think this shows promise. This genuinely shows promise. Just look at the amount of acting activity that is happening. People dancing, cheering, particles flying, the placement of objects, trees. It's beautiful. It is just beautiful. Beautiful, just beautiful, guys. Just absolutely beautiful. This is Son of Sanjay, and I think earlier this game was called Cholas. I think I forgot the name, but whatever it is, like it's amazing. It's genuinely amazing. भाई आप ही बना रहे हो ना मुंबई गलीज विषाणु परीख यस यस हम ही बना रहे हैं मुंबई गलीज if you could change one decision in the whole development journey, what would it be? Tanish, one decision would be just to simply work with external teams from day one. You know, I think that would have saved us so much of hassles, and the steep learning curve that we had to go through could have been completely avoided. We would have worked with uh, external teams. We would have got to learn about the development process ourselves, and we would have been much more relaxed, and the fund utilization would also have been much more lighter as opposed to building our own team. So yeah, that is one decision I wish I could change, but you can't go back in time, so just have to make do and adjust. But also, on the contrary, what I would say is a game of this scale has not been made in the past, so we were also uninformed on what to do. कब तक आएगा गेम विषाणु परीक I have put out a video on my channel just today. I would urge you to watch that video, and this is what happens, like guys, I have to actually repeat the same thing over and over again so many times, because nowadays my videos are not reaching to my audience as much as they used to. So Vishanu Parikh, here is the link of, okay wait, not this one, it will start at a later point, but I will give you a link of my video. You should check that out. Here is the link, Vishanu. This talks about the struggle that I went through. I basically reacted to this on my channel as well, but you can just give it a shot, give it a try. Rivan Singh says, game development is such a difficult process because it is an amalgamation of animation, graphics, coding, cinematic stories, etc. So I know how much expertise is required for making game. That's true, yeah. Noetic 3D says, hi Nikhil, I'm a 3D generalist and game developer currently working on a story-driven action horror game called Dakini. Right now I'm working in the game's environment. Can you please react to it? Sure. So this will be the last reaction for the day, Dakini. And I assume it is on your channel, Noetic 3D. Okay, Dakini or Dakini? I think it's the proper pronunciation should be Dakini, I guess. Okay, let me just share my screen once again. So this is Dakini, guys, being developed by Noetic 3D. So checking out this trailer now. Horror game. My goodness, why do these suggestions, like I've been observing almost all my streams, towards the end I get some or the other horror game suggestion, and I'm just want to like skip this. Where is Dakin? Where is the jump scare? There is no jump scare. Okay, there was no jump scare. Okay, I'm scared just like that. Anyway, okay, guys. Sorry, I kind of. I guess I will have to watch the just 1 month of my work. That's cool. Noted. I like the color scheme that you've chosen. You've gone for a grayscale theme. So I think this is just the level design. But it's cool, yeah. I mean, I like the ambience of the game, the background score that you've used, and this khatiya lying around. It's very good. It's very good. Pretty good stuff. Leave a like and I will subscribe to your channel so that I'm updated with your game's progress. And by the way, Noetic, if you want to, we can discuss a publishing opportunity. Okay, because we are on the lookout for some interesting games that are being developed from India, and we've as you know, while Mumbai is happening, we want to actually. Oh wow, my video is getting recommended over here. Anyway, so while that happens, we are supporting some indie developers in their game development journey, in game publishing journey. So if you are interested, I will actually share my email ID with you. And this offer is open for everyone actually, whoever is working on creating their game. So I like Dakini, and Noetic, if you really want to, I would love to work with you on this game, uh, and we would love to help out as a publisher. So if you want, get in touch. These two are my email IDs. You can email me, and would love to carry on the conversation. Okay, so I guess, guys, that's about it right now. I think it's it's been a long day for me, so I'll just you know end this stream now. But it was fun chatting with you guys, and it was fun to react to 3 games today on my stream. I am going to continue doing these live streams. So Ayush says, are you excited for Hollow Knight Silk Song releasing 4th of September? I will check it out, Ayush. I haven't played any game in the Hollow Knight series yet, so I will definitely check out. Okay, so guys, yeah, I think that would be it. I have some home chores to do now, so I will just end this stream now. I have a couple of meetings tomorrow. So it's going to be a long day tomorrow. But yeah, thanks a lot for coming by and dropping in your love and chats and likes and whatnot. Did we meet our likes target? We did. Wow. So we've got 51 likes. We had a likes target of 50 likes today. But yeah, thanks a lot, guys. And if you haven't hit the like button yet, please do. It will mean a lot to me. I'll feel nice. That's about it. And yeah, guys, that's it. With that, I will start my outro dialogue. Thanks a lot for watching, guys. If you like this video, hit the like button. If you're finding my channel for the first time, hit the subscribe button and the bell icon so you don't miss out on my next videos. My name is Nikhil Malankar. I make content around games and game development. And before you go to sleep, please do not forget to brush your teeth. It's very important to take care of your teeth as well as your health. And with that in mind, see you in my next video or my next live stream. And विशानु पारिक what कभी ओपन वर्ल्ड गेम के बारे में सोच मोबाइल गेम के बारे में सोचा है विशानु नो यार not yet I think we are just reserving our bets on Mumbai Gillies for an open world game but anyway guys brush karo and take care and I love you guys bye bye good night